Welcome to this tutorial on ClassView. To access ClassView, just go to the ClassView menu and select ClassView Add View Observations. This will bring you to the ClassView landing page, which will show you all the observations that you've made. To create a new one, simply click on Create New Observation. Select the model, the school, the department, grade, and the teacher. To record the ClassView observations, you simply click on each radio button, and then you can add some comments below. Then I move on to the next one. As I click each radio button, the data is saved directly to the database. So in the event that the internet connection is lost, anything you've added up to that point would be saved. I continue to make my observations and add comments. And when I get to the bottom, I can either close this or continue with another one. If I hit continue, it just brings up the same selections, and I can just add another teacher and then continue on with my class view. Or when I get to the end, I can just hit close, and it'll take me back to the observation landing page. Once I'm in the ClassView landing page, I can do a number of things. There's a series of icons here. The first one is I can edit any existing observation that I made simply by clicking on the pencil icon. This will bring me back to a previous observation I made, and I can make some additional comments. I can just type in anything there, and again, as soon as I click off of that, it will save the information. To go back, I just hit View Observations, and it'll take me back to the landing page. The other thing that I can do is I can delete any of these previous observations. I simply hit the trash icon, and it will prompt me, do you really want to delete this? Just say OK, and that will delete the observation. The other thing that I can do is I can print any observation. I just hit this printer icon here, and that will pop up a printed view of the observation. Once I'm done with the observation and I've made all my edits and I'm ready to finalize it, I can come over to this approval column and just simply click on the approval checkbox. What that will do will pop up a little dialog here with the teacher's name, their email address, who it's from, which would be your email, the subject, which is the classroom observation, and then here I can type in a message. And all I have to do is hit send, and it will send an email to the teacher. Now when the teacher gets this email, there will be a link in it, and all they have to do is click on that link, and it will bring them to this observation. And once you approve it, it'll have a date here so you know which ones have been approved. Now when a teacher logs in, they will see just their approved observations. At any point I want to resend email to the teacher, I can click on this email icon, and again that will pop up the email dialog where again it will pre-populate with the address. One note, if the address is missing, it means we don't have the email address. You can simply type in the teacher's email, and again type in a message and just hit send. When you send an email, it will also send you a copy so that you can have a copy of it in your email. This concludes the tutorial on ClassView. If you have any questions, please use the Ask for Help icon up here, and you can type in your message, and that will send us an email, and we'll take care of responding to your question immediately. Thank you.